I'm gonna remove all 6 of the motor mounts. Hopefully the nuts will come out with no hassle. There's the other one on the driver's side, other one on the passenger side. Again, this is in the front. That cracked. 15mm, and I'm using 1/2" drive ratchet. I know by past experience that motor mounts that got like oil like that, they're gonna go bad eventually. Those two out. Those two out. Those two I just let them. I screwed them like maybe 2 threads. That's what I use 1/2" ratchet. 15 metric. Gonna try that method first. It moved up there a little bit, but nothing here. I'm gonna jack it up underneath. Those popped out. Those still nothing. I'm gonna use the pry bar. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Got it in. But the screws that were originally on there are too small, and I don't have no ride to the power store. I'm on foot. Whew. There you go. I lay on my stomach to get that on. I want to start by putting that on right there. There you go. 10mm. I'm going to lower this side down now. Hopefully they'll fall in the grooves, and I'll put the screws back on. I mean the nuts. As soon as I remove this engine went down slowly, dropped this side.